Good morning, children. Today I will explain about the place value of the digits of a number. I will also find out the place value of the digits of a number. Children, for that, first we have to understand what is place value. See children, there is a number. This is a 7-digit number. Okay. Each digit of this number has its own value, and this value depends on which house or which place it belongs to. See children, this is a place value chart. I explained previously also, today also I am explaining. This is a place value chart. Start from the right side. The first house or first place belongs to ones. The second house or second place belongs to tens. The third house or third place belongs to hundreds. The fourth house or fourth place belongs to thousands. The fifth house or fifth place belongs to 10,000s. The sixth house or sixth place belongs to lakhs. The seventh house or seventh place belongs to 10 lakhs. See children, I have written these words in the number. I have written these words in number. The first is ones. It's 1. 10 written in number 10. 100 written in number 100. 1000 written in number 1000. 10,000s written in number lakh written in number 10 lakhs written in number, so that you can understand well. Now we have to find out the place value of this following number. Okay, this is an example. We have to find out the place value of each digit of the following number. Okay, for that first we have to place the digits in the following chart. Start from the right side. The first digit is 1. So write 1. The second digit is 7. So write here 7. The third digit is 5. Write here 5. The fourth digit is 2. Write here 2. The fifth digit is 3. Write here 3. The sixth digit is 4. Write here 4. The last or seventh digit is 6. Write here 6. Okay. Now say children, place value of 1. Place value of 1 is 1. Okay. We will multiply this digit with 1. 1 ones are 1. Okay. Now go to this digit. Place value of 7. Place value of 7. 7 tens. Okay. So multiply 7 with 10. 7 tens are 70. Okay. Now place value of 5. 5 hundreds. 5 cross 100. 5 ones are 5 in 100. 2 zeros are there. I will put 2 zeros. Okay. So 5 cross 100, 500. Now place value of 2. place value of 2, 2 thousands. That means multiply 2 with 1000. So 2 ones are 2, put 3 zeros over here. This is the fastest and simple way to multiply. So place value of 2 is 2 thousands written. Now go to this digit. Place value of 3 is 3 10,000s. Okay, so 3 ones are 3. After that, how many zeros are left? 1 2 3 4. Put here 4 zeros. So 3 10,000s returning number. Now place value of 4 lakhs. Okay, so 4 ones are 4 in lakh. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So put 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. So 4 lakhs. How to write in number? This way. Now place value of 6. So 6 ones are 6. After that, how many zeros are left? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so 6 10 lakhs returning number. Okay, children, practice this well again and again. It is also easy. Okay, if you practice, it will be easy for you. Thank you.